Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the content of the syllabus regarding BA first year optional English, which has been applied or created by Board of Studies Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, from the last academic year 2000. Friends, as far as the first year English optional syllabus is concerned, in this video we are going to discuss about optional English paper number 1. Listen carefully. We are going to discuss about optional English paper number 1 entitled Understanding Prose Fiction. Friends, as far as the syllabus of BA first year optional English is concerned, we found from last 20 years the Department of English of Late Ramesh Borpadkar College, Sonpet, has communicated with students regarding the changing syllabus of the university. As far as this new syllabus for you is concerned, we found there are certain important objectives before us, before everybody. Through this syllabus, every teacher fraternity from SRTM University Nanded premises tried to introduce the new learners about the basics of prose fiction in English through the close reading of some selected literary text for the syllabus. As far as the objectives of the syllabus is concerned, we always striving to develop the skills of analysis, interpretation and critical scrutiny among the new learners regarding the selected novels and short stories of this paper. Apart from this, we are also going to create acquired learners with the art of fiction and fiction writing in English. This is also a very important vision before all of us. What do we get the outcomes from such type of the syllabus? As far as the teaching and learning process of English language is concerned, we observed that many learners, many newcomers for first year English, they get appreciated by all these prose fiction genre. Generally, the word novel is famous, but what is meant by fiction? What are its characteristics? All this should be introduced in this paper. Apart from that, students will going to deal with different types of the prose fictions and short stories to acquaint the wide range of expression in the English literature. Dear students, as far as the writing of this, the writing or reading of English literature is concerned, we found we all came together and wanted to carry this very challenging task of interpretation of the novels and short stories by studying the critical analysis of all these texts. So these are some objectives and outcomes of the syllabus. Apart from that, dear students, in semester number 1 and paper number 1, semester first, paper first, we are going to study for this semester 4 units, and this book is prescribed for our study. The title of the book is An Anthology of English Prose Fiction. We are going to study this book, content from this book. I will share important contents from this book on our WhatsApp group. What we are going to study from this book, friends? Actually, the paper number first is divided into 6 units. Unit number 1 contains elements of prose fiction. What are the important elements of prose fiction? This is unit number 1, about the background. In unit number 2, we are going to study the brief history of English prose fiction. The historical development of English prose fiction will be regularly or will be descriptively studied. We are going to study in this second unit. Friends, as far as the syllabus of this paper is concerned, in unit number 3, we are going to discuss one great novel entitled The Old Man and the Sea, written by Ernest Hemingway. This is about unit number 3, and in unit number 4, we are going to discuss one more novella, which is novella means a short fiction, entitled Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. This is about unit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In unit number 5, we are going to study 2 short stories. One short story entitled The Country of the Blind, written by H.G. Wells, the great science fictional writer H.G. Wells, and one more story from unit number 5, that is The 3 Strangers, written by Thomas Hardy. This is about unit number 5, and unit number last means unit number 6. Again we are going to study 2 more short stories. One story, The Man from Mars, written by Margaret Atwood, and one more short story we are going to study in unit number 6, that is The Purloined Letters. 4 short stories, 2 novels and 2 topics of background. These are the 6 important units we are going to study in our paper number 1, which is entitled Understanding Prose Fiction. Dear students, due to this corona pandemic, I don't know what kind of examination you have to attend in future. But as far as the question paper pattern of SRTMU University Nanded is concerned, which is prescribed for UG first year English optional students, there should be very important 3 questions. Our question paper consisting only 3 questions, and all three questions must be in essay type questions, long questions, descriptive questions. Question number 1, you have to write essay type question on 2 novels, The Old Man and the Sea or The Animal Farm, or to each other. In question number 2, you have to give answers to the questions on the short stories from unit number 5th and 6th. There will be the question on one short story from unit number 5th, and there will be long question on short story from unit number 6. This is about question number 2, and last question is about 10 marks. Question number 1st is of 15 marks, question number 2nd is of 15 marks, and question number 3rd is of 10 marks, which has internal choice. 5 marks, 2 short notes will be there. 2 short notes on unit number 1, that is the elements of prose fiction. Out of 2, you have to attend 1, and part B from the unit 2, there will be the 2 short notes, and you have to attempt 1 from the unit number 2, brief history of English prose fiction. So this is about the syllabus and question paper pattern. Friends, in next video, we're going to discuss about the content of this paper. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.